Rocks and Minerals Part 3. Topics in this chapter are types of rocks, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Types of minerals, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. The types of rocks we have already done in previous videos. Now in this video we are going to study about types of minerals, metallic and non-metallic minerals. Minerals. Minerals are the naturally occurring substances which may have a simple or a complex form. They are found abundantly in rocks. Types of minerals. Minerals can be classified into two types, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Let us study about metallic minerals. The minerals from which useful metals can be extracted are called metallic minerals. Some common metallic minerals are aluminium, iron, copper, gold, and silver. Uses of metallic minerals. These metals have a wide range of applications in jewelry, construction, and electrical appliances. Now, non-metallic minerals. The mineral resources which do not contain metals are called non-metallic minerals. Some common non-metallic minerals are potassium, phosphorus, limestone, gravel, oil, coal, and petroleum. Uses of non-metallic minerals. They can be used as fuel, construction materials, etc. Let us study about coal. Coal is formed from the remains of plants and other vegetation that lived millions of years ago. After dying, plants and dense forests got buried under the marshy regions and started to decay. With time, new vegetation grew on their surface and the process continued. Over the years, due to heat and extreme pressure, these matter got converted to coal and its various forms. These huge deposits present all over the earth became coal mines from which fuels are extracted and brought to use. In India, coal mines are situated in places like Raniganj, Dhanbad, namely. Coal is a fossil fuel. Now, what is fossil? The remains of a plant or animal that existed in past is known as fossils. Uses of coal. It is used in running steam engines, steel industries, for cooking food, and many other purposes. Let us study about petroleum. How petroleum is formed? Let us see. Millions of years ago, aquatic plants and animals died and got settled on the ocean floor. With the passage of time, sand, small stones, and other sediments covered them. With time, excessive heat and pressure turned them into petroleum. To petroleum out, oil wells are drilled along the ocean shores. Most of the oil wells are found near the Gulf of Mexico. Uses of petroleum. Like coal, petroleum is also a fossil fuel. We use petroleum in its various forms like petrol, diesel, kerosene oil. Petroleum is mainly used as a fuel for running vehicles. It is also used for drying, cleaning, in medical processes, cosmetic industries, etc. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep learning.